African giant Burna Boy was in the Netherlands on the 1st of July 2023, and he was on stage when it turned his birthday, the 2nd of July. And it was a pretty good event. Yeah, he was given a very, very good surprise. But when you look back at that event, it was called Down the Rabbit Hole. The event was big, but it wasn't African giant standard. Nah. So Burna Boy makes a return back to the Netherlands on the 23rd of July, and this time it was that Burna Boy standard, big arena, fantastic crowd, running into thousands of people, and everybody getting a great time.
It's been ahead of it, but every single moment you were there by my side. Answer! Whenever I'm lonely, whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. Whenever you doubt it, I'll be there, you know. Forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. It's magic anytime that we're together. I think I just love you and hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand, my hand, my hand. Hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand, my hand. Hold you for my hand, hold you for my hand. Go ahead, it's your time, baby. It's your time, baby. Keep vibing. There's a difference when you're vibing. That's how it is when it's your body make me start to work. So what that means is, the next time you see me, there's gonna be another album out. And we're gonna be celebrating something else. So what we're gonna do tonight is party like it's the last day of the lockdown tour and shit. This album. Cause I'm only human. Somebody move that I don't know. Hit them with a 7-box combo. Always looking out my window. Paranoid and confused. I'm not sure anymore. Who is knocking at my door? And so as the day comes, as I go on, protect me, Lord, I cannot trust my neighbors. Be my savior when that day comes. Defend me from my enemies and my neighbors. When niggas tryna scheme on me, niggas never been real to me. You niggas just make believe. Last night I had a dream. Somebody gave me a time machine. Look through the times back and forth. Still ain't changed nothing at all. Now, I got a lot of enemies. Some of them used to be my friends, but now they switch sides on me. I wonder why they all pretend, even though it ain't clear to me. What's the gain in the end? Only one thing clear to me. I really got dropped now. So yeah, I feel what difference. Some of them don't really want you reach nowhere. It's the only thing I cannot comprehend. It's a lot going on up in my head, but I wouldn't change anything. More lights, more lights. Pretend you go do when you're feeling like you're falling that you can't find nothing to hold on to. Memories are carry me go, no. Sick and that don't take me far away. Miss a DJ, take me travel. Now I no fit trust anybody. Now I make a no vision. My body like it's tired. Make me mine. My head does tired. My only mine. My body like it's tired. Make me mine. But my whole world is set on fire. Don't leave me alone. Strength I need for my body. every day. Me, I no get time, man. I cover my face, God leave me back down. Biggie man, we know you. They go to look, cause if there's 99, if I do 99 good, don't know how to show you my love without bargaining now. But I can buy you one new baby, straight from me to last. God, so baby, driver. do anything you want me to. Baby, I'm not shy, yo. 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 Shayo, oh, 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 oh. 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 Shayo. Have to say bye bye, yo.